Dogs are positively fascinating. Here are 5 amazing facts about our furry friends. Fact 1. A dog's nose print is unique, just like a human fingerprint. No two are alike. Fact 2. Dogs can run fast. Greyhounds, for example, can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. Fact 3. Dogs can understand up to 250 words and gestures. Who's the smart boy now? Fact 4. Dogs curl up to sleep as a natural instinct to protect their vital organs, dating back to their wild ancestors. Fact 5. Dogs can sense emotions. They can pick up on your mood through body language and tone of voice. Dogs truly are man's best friend. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.